A currency move can change trade flows faster than a bumper crop. As we start 2026, a sharply stronger Zambian kwacha is already reshaping maize meal competitiveness in the southern DRC and quietly opening the door wider for South African exports. This African grain market overview is made possible by Collateral Management International and Zematic Irrigation Systems. Just a quick reminder, about 81% of the people watching these updates aren't subscribed yet. Please double check if you are. It's completely free and it's the easiest way you can help us grow and keep this content going. Your support really does make a difference, and in a real way you are helping shape the future of Africa's agricultural industry with us. So thank you for your support. Collateral Management International, or CMI, works across the continent, helping banks and other financiers keep their commodities secure and well managed. With over a decade of experience, they're known for their reliable storage solutions, trusted staff, and professional stock monitoring and inspection services. CMI helps make sure everything runs smoothly and securely. CMI, your trusted collateral manager in Africa.
All the best for 2026, and I trust it will be a good year for all. This week we discussed the potential negative impact significant Zambian kwacha strength could have on Zambian maize meal exports to the southern DRC and how this could potentially benefit South African exports. During the last month, the Zambian kwacha strengthened by around 15% versus the US dollar, as indicated by the blue circle on the graph. A level last seen in mid-2023, it is not always easy to pinpoint factors driving the kwacha, but observers indicate growing copper output and exports together with high international copper prices have to be role players. Also, there is positive sentiment towards the Zambia economy in general, and zero load shedding during the first 2 weeks of 2026 added to positive sentiment. The question we ask is how currency strength can impact maize meal exports to the southern DRC. This table indicates the delivered maize meal price of both Zambian and South African origin in Lubumbashi, the southern DRC. Mid-December, Zambian maize meal was reaching Lubumbashi at $14 per 25 kg bag, and South Africa origin at $13.50 per 25 kg bag. A month later, the South African origin price is slightly softer at $13, while the Zambian origin price spiked higher to $16 on the back of kwacha strength. So, in the immediate short term, cannot see any DRC trader ordering Zambian origin. The next question is if Zambian maize prices will adjust lower in due course to allow competitively priced maize meal exports. As indicated before, the Zambian government/FRA bought nearly half of the recent bumper maize crop, and currently they are the main supplier to the market. The FRA target maize selling price it communicated all along is $350 per ton. See the red line. The last 2 weeks, they were not adjusting their kwacha denominated offer price on ZAMES lower fast enough to neutralize kwacha strength, and the Lusaka price has jumped to $370 per ton. However, the market expects the necessary adjustments should be made in due course, and Lusaka prices should settle at around $350 per ton by month end. This should make Zambian maize meal more competitive in the southern DRC. That said, observers believe Zambian maize meal should trade at a discount to South African origin, as the consistent quality of the South African product makes it superior. The market does not expect South Africa's 70% market share in the southern DRC will shrink in the next few months. It could rather grow at the expense of Zambia. Next week, we will look at the Kenya maize market, where deep sea yellow maize imports are likely to influence price trends. Remember, quality information improves decision making. Contact us for more detailed, tailored information.
Don't miss the Zematic offer. Special promotional pricing on Zematic's 9500P and 7500P pivots with complete pivot, pump house and pipeline system options available. Financing through Standard Bank makes it easier than ever to invest in quality that lasts for years. Speak to your nearest Lindsay dealer today or call 021 986 8900 for more information. Terms and conditions apply. Thanks, Jock. Insightful as usual. This episode was made possible by Collateral Management International and Zematic Irrigation Systems. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel or contact us directly for more detailed market reports.